You're a content creator who just got done recording and you're looking forward to uploading your footage into Adobe Premiere until you realize your computer is struggling to play back the 4K footage you recorded. What can you do to fix this issue? Well, a proxy may be the answer for you. What is a proxy? If you didn't know, a proxy allows you to edit high-resolution footage more effectively and smoothly. Proxies are usually low-resolution copies of the original, but they're a lot easier for your computer to handle. If you're ready to learn how to make a proxy and increase your workflow, let's hop into Adobe Premiere and let's get it, you dig. Step 1, we're going to drag our footage into Adobe Premiere, highlight all the footage you want to load in the proxy, right-click it, and go down to Proxy and create Proxy. From there, you want to go to frame size. I bring mine down to quarter because my baby, she a little old, so she need all the little help she can get. Preset, there's 3 things you can choose from here. You can do ProRes, H.264, and Cineform Proxy. You can't go wrong with those 3. From there, watermark, I like to pick the proxy icon. I'd rather have the watermark on my proxy. Location, I like to choose a location to be right next to the original media and a proxy file. From there, you click OK. Media coding is going to open up and start transcribing your footage. From there, you can take a break. You can do whatever you want to do. You can go play guitar. You can go play Marvel Rivals. You can go rob a bank. I wouldn't recommend that. Once all this is done, Media Encoder should close, but if not, close it yourself. From here, we are done. All you need to do is activate your proxy. In order to activate your proxy, you'll go down to your taskbar and click this icon right here. If you don't see it, go over to the plus icon, and then from there, you can add proxy icon there. I'm sorry, I didn't record it. That's why you can't see it on the screen. As you can see from me scrubbing the timeline, it is much smoother compared to the previous iteration where the clips wouldn't even move. When we tried to move the bar, it wouldn't even move. It was just stuck. It was just stuck in slow motion. Alright, class. We all done, you dig? We all done. I hope y'all learned some today. I hope you learned how to make an effective proxy. I hope this increases your workflow. If you have any issues, please comment down below. I'll try my best to answer your questions. If I can't, then I'll try to point you to a resource that can answer them the best way I can. If you have any ideas for any videos you want me to make in the future, you know, like I said, drop them below. You feel me? And remember to create something beautiful today. Peace.